How's it going, guys? Matt here from ISC. Today I'll be showing you how to install our Maverick rear adjustable tow arms. When you lower any car or truck, the factory control arms and tow arms don't allow for much, if any, adjustment. With adjustable arms, it allows you to correct your alignment. These arms are a must if you're looking to keep tire wear to a minimum, and even if you want to change your alignment, depending on what type of driving you'll be doing. Installing these is very easy. You'll need a 4mm Allen wrench and a 15mm socket. With these tools, you can have the job done in about 5 minutes. So the first step in removing the OEM tow arm, you got this 15mm bolt right here and another one right there. You take those two out and you can pull this arm right out. It's recommended to get a full alignment after doing any sort of suspension work, including adjustable arms. So the first step here is we're going to take our measurement from eye to eye of the OEM arm. Then we're going to copy and adjust the ISC arm to match. So I'm going to measure. Then we're going to spin these eyelets until it matches the OEM one. Once your measurement is correct, we're going to take these collars and lock them down with our 4mm Allen. So to install the ISC arms, it's just going to be the reverse of what we did before. Just these two 15mm bolts. And there we go.